Twinkle time.
Curious how sharp your world knowledge is? Join thousands of adults who are enjoying quick and fun geography challenges every day. Let's see how many country capitals you can get right. Question 1. What is the capital of Canada? The correct answer is Ottawa. Did you know Ottawa was chosen as the capital in 1857 to settle rivalry between Toronto and Montreal? And it's home to the beautiful Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question 2. What is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is Tokyo. Did you know Tokyo was formerly called Edo and became the capital in 1868? It's the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Question 3. What is the capital of Australia? The correct answer is Canberra. Did you know Canberra was purpose-built as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne in 1913? Its name comes from an Aboriginal word meaning meeting place. Question 4. What is the capital of Brazil? The correct answer is Brasilia. Did you know Brasilia was inaugurated in 1960 and designed by architect Oscar Niemeyer? It's known for its modernist architecture and unique city layout. Question 5. What is the capital of Egypt? The correct answer is Cairo. Did you know Cairo is the largest city in the Arab world and is near the ancient pyramids of Giza? Question 6. What is the capital of Germany? Correct answer is Berlin. Did you know Berlin has more bridges than Venice and is famous for its historic Berlin Wall and vibrant cultural scene? Question 7. What is the capital of Italy? The correct answer is Rome. Did you know Rome is known as the Eternal City and was the heart of the Roman Empire for centuries? Question 8. What is the capital of Russia? The correct answer is Moscow. Did you know Moscow is home to the Kremlin, Red Square, and St. Basil's Cathedral with its colorful onion domes? Question 9. What is the capital of India? The correct answer is New Delhi. Did you know New Delhi became the capital in 1911, and the city is famous for its Mughal and British colonial architecture? Question 10. What is the capital of South Korea? The correct answer is Seoul. Did you know Seoul is a major technology hub, home to global companies like Samsung and Hyundai, and has a history of over 2,000 years? Congratulations! If you nailed it! If you enjoyed this challenge, join us on our journey to boost brain power with fun quizzes. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Every bit of support inspires us to keep creating and improving every day.